Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here, right back at you. So I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul, and I got a lot of cute stuff from the Dollar Tree from Christmas. Okay, all this is really cute. So I'm gonna dig in and show you right now. Okay, so first things first, I got a cute light up headband to use. I'm going to film with this. Even if I'm not doing it this year, I'm going to film next year. I'm not gonna take it apart because, oh, Shelby, sorry about that. But I'm going to show you what it looks like without all this craziness. Okay. Okay, so let me see if I can get this off. Shelby thinks these are all for him. No, can you get me the scissors in the other room? I'm going to clip this and I'm going to show you how they light up. And these are cute. I got a lot of these, even if it's Christmas Eve. So I'm definitely not going to use all these now for filming, but in the future I am. So let's, Noah, hold on. Don't look at the, okay. All right. So I'm going to pull this. And I guess there's a little lever. Oh, is it working or not working? Well, I guess it don't work, but that's okay because this is how it will look when you have it on. I guess the blinking flashing light don't work, but that's okay, no problem. So that's what that looks like. And of course I got this at the Dollar Tree, really cute. It's a Santa with a princess tiara, really adorable. And I also have this gorgeous Christmas Santa hat. Noah. Santa hat with sequins. Only $1, folks. Go to the Dollar Tree. You find all these cute things. And for the amount of time you wear them, look at. Santa hat. So, then I got this cute elf to put on my, where all my elves are. This is the lady elf. $1. Folks, you can't go wrong. $1. I'm telling you, the Dollar Tree has, Dollar Tree is like all over. So, if you have a Dollar Tree, go to it because you can find the cutest things. So I have her. Let me get the other one. And the little man. So I'm going to put that with I'm going to be putting it on my fireplace. Really cute. And I got this stocking for Chloe. For Chloe, because I got her last year, 2 years ago, and I never got her a stocking for Christmas. What is up with that? I'm slacking, Mama. I'm slacking. Shelby. Yes. Honey. You want to come with Mama? Okay. This is my Shelby kitty. And he is so cute and cuddly. You want to be on camera? Okay. So, this is the cute. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Shelby. This is the cute kitty. She is gray, so it looks just like her. I got this. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to hang it for her. Really, really cute. $1. That's it. Then I got some cards just in case if I needed them. Look at how cute these cards are. This is, I'm going to open them up to show you. $1 for these cute little cards. You don't have to spend a shitload of money in cards. No, no, no. You do not have to spend that. Look at this. Look at how cute this card is. Glittery and everything, and you do not have to spend a lot of money. It says Christmas wishes. May your Christmas be filled with the magic and splendor of the holiday season. Merry Christmas. So I got that at Dollar Tree. All right, and I got 2 of the soft soaps at Dollar Tree. I got a dental floss. I got a pickle ornament, and this pickle ornament is supposed to be on Christmas morning. The first person to spot this pickle is rewarded with a special blessing for the coming year. And the first present of under the tree, from under the tree. So if you, it's like a little game. If you put it on there, and you have people, like a little, you can have a little team. Do a team, and pick out the pickle. Whoever does it gets the prize underneath the tree. First present. Tape, just in case if I need to wrap up any last minute gifts, which I do have one. Got 2 things of mint thins or thin mints. I remember these when I was a little bitty girl, and I used to go to my grandma's house, and they used to have these little thin mints. Really love thin mints. I got this peppermint crunch. It's like a candy cane chocolate crunch popcorn. I got this for my son for his stocking because he likes that. I got gummies for his stocking. I got Russell Stover's caramels, Santa's, for his stocking. And a marshmallow chocolate Santa, marshmallow peppermint chocolate Santa. I didn't even know that was peppermint. And I got 2 movies, $1. I know they're old, but I got All Hallows Eve. Look at how scary this freaking movie is. Woo! And he loves scary movies. And Adam Sandler is so funny. Noah loves Adam Sandler. You don't mess with the Zohan or something like that. Who watched this? I don't know. I never did. But he looks pretty funny. And this is the back of it. Okay. And of course, I got Colgate. I needed that. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you all liked it. It's a Christmas edition because I got all these cute Christmas things. So be sure to thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, always be yourself and love yourself. And thank you so much for being here and supporting me. I love everyone, each and every one of you. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.